Alright folks, today we got an unboxing of the Lost Galaxy Blue Ranger. I know I'm really behind with these Lightning figure waves, but this line has been garbage as of late. Got this at GameStop. I did not pay $22.99 plus tax. I have GameStop price matches to Amazon and Target and Best Buy. I did not know that. That's new information to me. So Target price matches, GameStop, and Best Buy. Walmart will price match to Walmart.com. They will not price match to Target or Best Buy. If you want a video game, Power Ranger figure, Pokemon plush, anything like that, go to Best Buy, Target, or GameStop, in my opinion. Don't go to Walmart, because they don't price match. It's $22 at GameStop, so there's the GameStop tax. $15 at Amazon. So originally this was $15 on Amazon, sold and shipped by Amazon. When I told the guy, I was going to say, no, I'll pay full price, because that changed to being shipped by Amazon, sold by someone else. I don't worry about it. The guy was very nice in that regard. All depends on the employee you talk to at that point. All GameStops, the rule is everyone price matches to whoever, as long as it's shipped and sold by that company. This guy, he was kind. Ships from Amazon, sold by someone else, you are not supposed to price match that. He did to me. Thumbs up there. And he was not the stereotypical, do you want to do this, pre-order that, blah, 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 blah. I was already a pro member, so you can't do that. And by what I mean by this line being garbage, if you buy the figures, you know why. If this was a Ninja Tommy, let's see, head would be down here. The legs would not be connected to each other. Be a gap right there. And probably not a hand here. So, I mean, that's bad. I do want one of those figures, only because so many ways to get the original suits. And I am not a Mighty Morphin Kid. I am a Disney kid. Here's a look at the back of the box. Side. We all know how this goes. So yeah, $25 is the new price, not the GameStop price. $25 at Walmart and Target. No. These figures are not worth $25. Especially the Ninja Rangers at Target. Those are Target exclusive. And everyone has a Target. So Target online third-party sellers, $25 is the new base price. With so many QC issues. No, fuck you, Hasbro. $22 for this at GameStop. Okay, $2 more is the GameStop tax. Fine. Just wanted the price match, so that's good. I had a $5 coupon for being a pro member. Yeah, go for it. Here's the Lightning piece. We've seen this before with Goldar. 2 hands. So at some point I do want the Ninja Rangers. It's just a matter of a sale. If those go on sale back to the $20 price point. I got Target reward money, sure. Quasar Saber. Closed up Quasar Saber. I forget the name of this. Quasar Claw? It was Airway Saban, not Neo Saban, so it could have a unique name. Kai's head. Do not care for the actor names. That goes for all actors. This is Kai. I don't know his real name. Yeah, I despise all actors ever since 2020. You are a monkey to me. Dance monkey. Let's see. I guess the belt's a little bit crooked. But that's not bad. Helmet's good. Charlie Brown's good. And when I say I don't like actors anymore, I mean, I'm not telling them to go die or anything. But I'm just done with Hollywood and all that. See head, go around 360, up, that far. Actually go to the side. Arms, go around 360, a butterfly joint. Up that far. Bicep swivel. Double elbow joint. Rotation at the hand and can bend. Have an ab crunch. Go back that far. Forward. Rotation at the chest. And that doesn't really work because of the Charlie Brown stripes. Forward that far. Back not really, off to the side, that far. 5 rotation. Double knee bend. Boot swivel. Ankle tilt. Foot rotation. Now this was I can better show this here. If this was a Ninja Ranger, be a gap right there. And the belt's a little bit off center, but it's not that bad. At least he has a holster. Closed dagger in, not closed dagger, the closed Quasar Saber in here. what you could do. So Lost Galaxy Red did not come with a Quasar Saber, unless you got the Psycho 2-pack. He came with the cannon. This does have the gorilla on it. You could give this to Red, because it's so small. Yeah, I will never go to a convention, because I just hate Hollywood actors and all their nonsense now. You are nothing but a puppet. Act, dance, do something. Don't preach about politics. I don't think this guy did. I'm just whooping them all in together now. I do not care. If you asked me in 2015, do I want to go to PMC? Yes. Now? No. Yeah, I like that pose. And I'm actually surprised Hasbro has not canceled PMC altogether. Seems like something they would do at this point. Because they are... It's tricky with them. Reboot next year, maybe? Netflix is about to go under. If you look at the stocks. But they're also rebounding. Because they're getting rid of stuff like cuties. It's tricky with them. But nonetheless, this is a good figure. Especially for about $10 is what I paid. Good figure. Lost Galaxy is a good show. Suppose do this. Is a look with the actor's head, with Kai's head. And this has been a look at the Power Rangers Lost Galaxy Blue Ranger Lightning Collection figure. That'll be all.